The Pixel 8 has only been out for a few months, but that isn't stopping leakers from getting early images of the forthcoming Pixel 9. Reliable leaker OnLeaks shared a set of renders with MySmartPrice, showing what appears to be Google's Pixel 9 and 9 Pro flagship, with completely flat edges framing the phone and giving off iPhone vibes. First of all, let's talk about the Pro variant, the Google Pixel 9 Pro. Usually, we don't especially mind if a frame is flat or not, but we do feel the need to point out that every company doing the same thing is just boring and repetitive. That's not the only major design change on this phone. It looks like Google may have also redesigned the rear camera bar. Instead of stretching the camera bar across the entire width of the phone, the renders show the 3-camera setup inside of a bulging, oval-shaped island similar to the Pixel Fold. While the device will be 8.5mm thin in its base, the bump will add almost 50%, measuring 12mm at its most prominent. It also appears to come with a slightly smaller 6.5-inch display, down from 6.7 inches on the Pixel 8 Pro. Over on the front, you can see the frame due to its flatness. The screen bezels seem to be perfectly symmetrical, which is very welcome, and in the top middle section of the screen, there's a single hole punch cutout for the selfie camera. As is the case with the Pixel 8 Pro, it looks like the Pixel 9 Pro also has the power button and volume rocker on the right side of the device. Google seems to have changed the placement of the SIM card, however, which now appears to be on the bottom of the device alongside the Type-C port. Google has been using an aluminum frame, but we may see the company to follow the trend of titanium alloy that Apple set with the iPhone 15 Pro series and Samsung adopted in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. There still isn't any solid information about the device's technical specifications, like whether it'll come with a temperature sensor, but we're still many months out from a new Pixel phone, which Google typically releases every fall. A sharper redesign might be what the upcoming Pixel 9 needs to stand out, especially with the AI-laden Samsung Galaxy S24 just announced and the iPhone 16 coming later this year. Now moving on to the vanilla Pixel 9. The 5K renders, along with a 360-degree video shared exclusively by OnLeaks, give us a good look at the next Google flagship phone. While similar in looks to the Pixel 9 Pro, the Pixel 9 will be more compact. The renders suggest a very iPhone 15-like design with flattened sides. The rear camera module has been redesigned, but still looks very much like a Pixel phone. The Pixel 9 is also seen in a blue color, which will most likely be joined by more options. The rear camera visor has a substantial protrusion, but is shorter and doesn't extend edge to edge as it did on the Pixel 8. This would be the first time a vanilla Pixel phone gets 3 rear cameras. From what we're told, there will be a telephoto lens and 2 other sensors that are unknown at the moment. It's expected to sport a 6.1-inch screen, which is smaller than the Pixel 8's but might have a slightly different aspect ratio. No other details about the Pixel 9 are known yet, but that's not a huge problem considering it's only expected to become official in about 8 months. Surely by then, we'll have been drowning in leaks for a while, as it always happens with Pixels. Stay tuned, and we'll let you know when we find out more. Till then, take care.